Hey pack leaders, this is Hero Friends Already for protecting families or protecting the pack, and today we're going to be doing a trading notes on what we've learned so far the last couple of days. So let's go ahead and switch over to my notes. So on last week's pump, I saw this, those three hairs maybe, and then on the third or fourth one, it'll dump pretty bad and then start to rise up. So I was like, all right, cool, let me document this. And then recently, I saw it again, right? Boom. And I was like, this is strange. Like, I didn't, know what to do here because I've never I seen it. I know there was going to be a little dump, but I was like, okay, cool. Is it going to rise? Well, no. So what's so different between the two, right? Well, the three hairs was not present here. And this is the 1 hour, and I think I did this at the 15 minutes, so I figured I'd do it again in the 15 minutes right here. So if you look at it, it was pretty clean and smooth. There wasn't any hairs. So if you don't see any hairs, anticipate it to repeat again until you get the hairs. Now when you get the hairs 1, 2, and 3, then it does what it does here, and then rises down, rise down, maybe. Okay. Now, what I actually kind of think for now, it was pretty volatile right here. So it rose, it yanked down, and then it yanked down pretty much where the level is. So if it did that, I actually had a long order here, which longed me in real quick, got me 20%. I was like, forget it, I'm done. Just take profit. So I took the 20% profit just within a few seconds. And then it continued to go down. I think it'll probably maybe hit another one. Who knows? But I'm not gonna chance it. I put my longs, my shorts up here. I'm just gonna wait for it to pop up, short me in, and then come down. Because I think overall there's a bigger triangle above it. I don't show it here. So kind of have a coach, no, is a football coach kind of view. So see the big picture, so you kind of see where everything's going. And if you're in the field, you're not really seeing what's the big picture. So you might be able to do the small stuff, but eventually the big picture is kind of showing it to come back down. Okay. All right, so what I think is going to happen now is going to repeat. Once you see maybe, I don't know if this hair is going to count. I don't think it's going to count. So let's go 1, 2, and then the third one, it'll probably dump again. I just don't know how stretched out this frame's going to be. But that's kind of what I think that's going to happen right now. But since it's so volatile, I anticipate to be a bigger move on the upside and on the downside. Okay, so there'll be a bigger stretch of stuff going on. Now there is an overall trend of it kind of ascending up. Okay, so kind of keep that in mind on the big trend. We're kind of doing it, daily, so we can kind of make money off these tiny swings, day by day swings. Okay. All right, so we'll see what happens here, and then we'll document what's different and how to anticipate the moves. So for this, I've put some short orders here. I actually put a long down here, which I already got as of this video. I got in and then took my 20% and it kept going down. So I think it was a good thing I took the market order and just closed it out before I lost the profit and then got to nothing. So there you go, guys. I think overall, learning about this is so volatile is to just be really trigger happy about taking profits. Before I'm like, I don't know when to take profits. I'm at 40% ROE. Should I do it now? Oh no. Oh man. Then 20%. Oh man. Then all of a sudden 0, negative, and then I'm gonna have to wait like a couple of days for it to come back up. So this profits, just take it, and there will be another time for you to take it again. But you can't take more profits if you don't take what you already have. So just take it, reset, do it again, take it, reset, do it again, take it, reset, do it again. And then that will just start to stack over time. Now, as far as the position, I used to trade a lot more, like more amounts, like 5,000 each time, and boom, 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 and then I'll be like 20K, 30K in contracts in, and I'm like, oh man, I'm stuck. Like I can't do anything. So while I'm kind of learning and adjusting, if I see something that I don't I've never seen before, I'll put a small amount so that if it does go the wrong direction, whatever, it's not a big deal. But if I've seen it and I'm like, I'm pretty sure this is gonna happen, then I'll up my thing to like, 5,000, whatever, and then maybe even stack it all the way down so that I don't know where to catch the bottom kind of thing or the top, and just kind of 5K, 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 boom, 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 hit it through, and then we'll drop back down. Once it's in profit, we'll just take it, close it out. But also getting out to, I start to also ladder out. So I take my profits early. As soon as there's profits, start taking it early, because I don't know when it's going to happen. But when you take those profits, you'll have more to compound and put more back in more trades. But if you never take those profits early, you kind of like, greed kind of sets in. So it's more systematic. Just, be in the habit, building the habit of taking profits all the time. The mindset of playing to win rather than playing to stop loss. And you couldn't make that profit, but then you kept stopping out and, or trailing the stop loss kind of thing. So I would more ladder up the profit taking rather than doing a trailing stop loss to catch it. And usually when it comes down so fast, it actually, some days for me, when I see it, it doesn't stop me out sometimes because it kind of goes too fast and it'll miss me, or I don't have no portfolio balance because I'm like leveraged out, or I over traded, and it won't close me out, and I'm like, now I'm even more in the red. So it's just what I've been learning so far. I started moving money out of my Bitmex account too. So every time you make a gain, take some profits out. Okay, so I'll do a quick calculation. I think it's only I think I only did 1,000 contracts and got 20% on it. So even though it's small, maybe I'll do see if it's worth it or not. But just pull some out. So that's good. Maybe $20-30. Who knows? I don't know. So all right, thanks. Have a good one.